Hello friends, good morning. Myself me, and I am about to tell you how to speak English at home and how to practice it. अगर आप लोग चैनल पर नए हैं तो चैनल को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब कर ले ताकि नए वीडियो की सूचना आपको मिलती रहे। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं वीडियो को। If you are at home, first look at the things around you. Whatever you can see, note them down in your mind or in a notebook, and then think about what their English words could be. After that, start speaking in small sentences like you go, you sit down, you sit there. In this way, we can start speaking English very easily, and without getting too worried, we can learn to speak English confidently. If you are at your school, first write your daily routine in a notebook and see what your daily routine is. Then note down the spellings of the words that come in it, because both spelling and reading are very important for speaking and learning English. After that, make daily sentences using those words and start speaking them regularly.